Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag CockroachDB DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a multi-node CockroachDB cluster on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So in this video, we'll go through the step-by-step process for the setting up a multi-node CockroachDB cluster on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. I'm assuming we have a three nodes for that example, but we can adjust if you want to adjust into two node. So here in this example, I'm just taking the three nodes. So IP of the nodes is 192.168.136.129, 130 and 131. Three nodes are running. All are running with the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. For the testing purpose, I am using the VMware workstation, or here I am running this node 1, node 2, node 3. So node 1, node 2, and this is node 3. All three nodes are running with the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So while installing, I have given the username and password for the Ubuntu server. So I am going to access those server. So cmd. So all the three nodes I'm going to access here: SSH, DEPT, 192.168.22, okay, 136.129. So this is the one node, sudo su 130. So done this one also, and this is a 131. So all three nodes are running here. So I'm giving the name node 1, 129, node 2, 130, and this will be the node 4, 3, 131. Okay. So give the different color. I'm giving the not a rename. So change the color. So red, this one I'm giving yellow. Okay. So just bigger size. Now all the size are same. Okay. Now side by side I'm going to run this one. So we have all three nodes. In step one, install the CockroachDB on all the nodes. So first, update and upgrade the system. I'm updating and upgrading the system packages, whatever they running in my system. So all are completed. Now I'm going to download the binary file of CockroachDB. All the nodes, run this one. So I'm downloading the 24.2.5. Okay. So you can check with the CockroachDB what is the latest version is 25.3 approx something. So meanwhile, let me check. So product, latest release. So this is running with that 25.3 release is there. And this is not an open source. You can go through the pricing. So there is a basic, standard and advanced is the plan. Okay. So I'm closing this one. In previous video, I have already shown you all the things. So let the download complete. Still okay. Completed. One server is completed, remaining around 17 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, so completed. Now move to the next. So I am going to extract this tarball. Do the same for all. Okay. Check with LL, CD, go inside of the this folder and all the nodes do the same. Now copy the file cockroach folder. You can say there is a cockroach folder is there. Copy that one user local slash bin. Run this command. No such a file or directory. Okay, let me do one thing before going to this inside of this folder. Later on I'll go. So cd dot slash and run the above command. Done. So I was inside the folder, so I'm going back and doing the copy. Okay, done. So now go inside the folder and check the version. So all the version with the running with the same. So 24.2.5. Just now we downloaded and we started this, and this is a release was on the 12/11/2024. So now create some folder we required. I need this folder, so I'm creating both. I will use if so. Just create both the folder. Done. Now move to the second step. Second step, the start the CockroachDB on each node. So here you can able to see listening address is 129 and this is the port 26257 and will access GUI from the 8080 port with the same. Okay. So here I'm using the join the cluster. So bigger sign. So join the cluster 192, 129 and this is the port 130 and same port and 131 is the same port. So same thing I'll do that and root cockroach data and node 1 I'm just keeping the data for that storing the data. So running with the node 1. So remember that I'm running with the node 1. Let me check. Yeah, running. I'm not getting any error. Similar, same code is there, only the IP will be changed for the node 2 and node 3. So all the nodes are running. You can able to see this. Okay. Now initialize the cluster. So only node 1. From the node 1, I will initialize everything. Just run this code. So successfully initialized. So cluster is successfully initialized. Okay. So verify the connection. So now log in with the any node with this. Okay, check the connection. So this is connection. So now so databases. So there is a three databases are there. So I'm going to exit from there. And now I'm checking the nodes. See, all the nodes are running 129, 130, and 131. So all the nodes are running with the SQL address and with the version and from when. So all the things are getting. So all the nodes are connected to each other. Now let me open in GUI. So in different, I'll open 130.131. Okay. So this one is all are in the same cluster. So you can able to see in the nodes also, you can all the nodes are node n1, n2, and 3 are running in the same node. Go to the databases. We have we have a three databases. You can able to see. Now I'll just test the connection. So I'll just log into the database. From node 1, I'm just running this one. Create database and testdb, then use testdb, then create table user primary key and name is a string. I'm inserting through data. There is Chirag and Sanju and extract from the users. So now run this, insert all the things are completed. Now what I'll do, I'll just connect these things from the any of the node and I'll check data will be visible. And one more thing, in the all the databases, testdb is created automatically. See, testdb, go inside that, there is a users table is there. So all that node you can get the same data. Same data and data is replicated to all the nodes. So data is replicated across the all three nodes. So please, one node goes down, the cluster continue the working. Okay. So in this video, we have learned how to set up a multi-node CockroachDB cluster on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. Step-by-step process I have shown you. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.